Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to customize the sales order grid. Let's have a look. So first, before it, we are going to create an order first, which is a requirement. So I'm going to add a one product, right? So let me go and create an account over here, and let's log in. No, don't think so. We have login. Okay, so I'm going to add with the login admin 90 and with the password this one. So create an account. Okay, so go to the checkout process, fill all of this stuff. Okay, city, zip code 12345, number, this one, next, place order is placed 003. Go to the sales orders. So we have this order, right? This one 003. So here we are dragging, and this SKU is product SKU is this one. Let's check it out, which one the product it is. So SKU is 24 MP04. We have two SKUs we are getting, right. So let's order it. Sales orders. We are going to filter out with the product SKU. So I'm going to search with this applied filters. You can see that one product is adding, right. I'm going to add with the product name, which one product name which we have added. That is Go Bags. This is the wafer, I guess we have used. Let's see which product it is. No, here. So it's wafer messenger and the stripe shoulder bag. Okay. So I'm going to search with this one also. Wafer bag search. Let's see it is working with the product name or not. So let's go to the orders, sales, orders, right? This is product. So I'm going to add with the filters. We're going to add with the product name. Let's see. You can see that we are able to filter out the things. Okay, so if you want such kind of functionality like filter with the product name or the product SKU and show all the products here and product SKU, so just let me know in the comment section that you need this full source video for how we are going to add this column and how to fetch all the products which we have ordered, right? Whole process of module. If you want me to upload that one, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.